Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And I learned a little trick how you could figure out how much time you're spending on Facebook so you can be honest with yourself. So when you go into the Facebook app, you press these three lines. Now, I'm doing this in my Android phone, so I also tried this on my iPhone. It did not work on my iPhone, and I've had some others that said that they don't see this. But you could try it. Hopefully, it will. Maybe it's just being rolled out. But you press the three lines on top. Then you're going to go ahead and go all the way down, and you're going to go to settings and privacy, and you click on your time on Facebook. So there you go. So I've spent an average of 54 minutes a day using the Facebook app on this device in the last week. And it just shows you how much time you spent. Looked like it was heavy that day. And you can get this information. So wanted to share this little tidbit if you are curious how much time you're spending on Facebook. And you could kind of share with your friends and have a little fun with it. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions, but wanted to share this with you. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.